guys! Today I will try a fancy bath challenge. These are the 3 props I will use today to see which one feels the most relaxing after the bathing. But the water heater must be sterilized first. Healthy water quality is the first step to a healthy bath. The water heater has been sterilized completely. Now let's check the water temperature on smartphone and see if it's ready to enjoy. Let's try the petal bath first. Wow! As soon as I see this tub full of petals, I feel luxurious. Now I can smell the rose scent on my body. This is great! Same water temperature, but milk and essential oil make it feel very different. Let's switch on the max mode. It will greatly shorten the water recovery time. This feels very different from the petal bath. Rainbow bubbles make me feel like a child. Okay, my bath challenge is over, and I recommend you the flower petal bath, because actually after taking bath with milk and essential oil, my skin it's a little bit greasy, and after taking the rainbow bubble bath, my skin is very smooth, actually a bit too smooth. I don't like it very much. So I recommend you the flower petal bath. It's very relaxing. Of course, if you want to try it, you need a water heater with high water output and quick heating. Okay, that's it for today's sharing. Bye-bye!